Beautiful. Let's put this up here. Awesome. Oh no. Which watch is that? This is a regular G-Shock. It's nothing special. It's a G-Shock Bluetooth G-Shock Bluetooth watch G-Shock. You should see my other watches. Those are good watches, but it's also pretty good. Sometimes people look at this and say, "Oh man, is that an AP?" I'm like, "No, it's not an AP. It's a G-Shock." Oh, you know what FBR did? FBR is the Federal Board of Revenue. Like they regulate people who pay taxes and shit like that. They sent a letter to my wife that she has to pay taxes since she is registered as a dependent housewife. It's right over here. The letter over here. Yeah, like you got money in the bank, so you're liable for this tax, and then occupation it says housewife. Yeah, like bro, what kind of Well, are people in Dubai nice? I heard they aren't so friendly. Well, maybe the people you heard that from, they're probably not friendly people themselves. So that's why they think people in Dubai are not friendly. People in Dubai are one of the nicest people you will ever meet. One of the nicest people you'll ever meet. Because you look at it this way, right? Like, I mean, it depends where you go. Like if you go to places where your probability to find rude people is going to be higher, then you're going to find those people. Like places like that do exist. All right, so we're putting a 30-second limit over here. What do you need to continue confirm your identity? All right, let's confirm this identity over here. But for now, at this time, I'm just waiting here for gold. Literally just waiting, sitting, waiting. Are you looking for sells today? Yes, I'm looking for sells. I'm looking for sells below 2682. Sells below 2682. Where is Effort's body? Is probably in his home. Maybe in his home. Okay, that's good. Very good. See here. Take a look at pound yen over the time. See how pound yen has performed. Changed our regular template. Let's take a look at daily. Daily. All right. So we're still in a range on pound yen on daily, but looking at daily now, I mean, you look at this candle that's coming bearish, and you look to the left hand side, there's some sort of a support on the daily. So probably that maybe some sort of an area on, maybe the 4-hour time frame. Maybe the 4-hour, probably. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. So that is some sort of a support. We're coming down. Let's take a look at it. If we're creating some sort of support on the 1-hour, yeah, there we go. So here we have some sort of a support on the 1-hour time frame, right? Creating a support at the same time. I would say we're creating a resistance. Let's take a look at that on 30-minute time frame. Oh yes, perfect. So now, if you look at pound yen, it's very easy to see like anything above 197,700. You're looking at price to continue to push up. You got like a 48, 50 pip range over here. Let's see what this place is saying. Okay, welcome, YouTube. I am profitable because of you. Oh, thank you. Okay, so what I gotta change is I gotta give it 30 seconds. Stay here. People start tripping and live and start sending messages one after the other. Next, we need some sort of music. Music. All right. Awesome. So now we are on track. Right? So first of all you got to do is you have to look at the 30-minute time frame, the 1 hour time frames, and then you have to see whether you have a zone close to where price is, right? So if you look at price now, you can see there's the resistance area 197,680. So what I like to do is I like to mark that off with like a semi-thick blue line visually, just like this right over here. Now I do know that if we break above 197,750, there's going to be a very high probability we can continue to push up towards 198, 175. Low sound, really? Okay. No, the sound is good. YouTube, sound is good. Yeah, sound should be good. Top Gun. What's Top Gun? Yeah, so that's going to be a better idea. But if you look at where we are now, it's just like, it's like a 20 pip range for price to move down. So you really have to pick and choose your battles, especially on pound yen over here. I think it's going to be better to see if we do break below 197,200. Looking at this right here, yeah, it's very tough, very tough. But we'll see. We'll see once price does come down to 197,200. All right, let's take a look at gold over here. Can you check gold 15 minutes? Sure. What's happening on the 15 minutes? We have a resistance here. That's true. Probably for price to continue to push up, and then we have consolidation to the left hand side. But if I look at the 30-minute time frame, on the 30-minute, this is where I'd be looking for better confirmation. That's where I'd be looking for better confirmations. If we do break above, 26.92, for price to continue to push up. There is consolidation here to the left hand side, but if we do break above, let's say 26.92, 26.93, I think volume coming from New York session should continue to push price up. Good. All right, how many mics do I have over here? No. Hey B, how are you? Last night, Jerome Powell said he will not resign if Trump administration asks for his resignation. Is sacked? How do you see the markets then? I don't know how I see the markets, but what I do know is that Trump wants a strong dollar. He wants equities to go up. He wants indices to go up. That's what he wants. He is pro-economy, so he wants people on his side who are also pro-economy, and pro-economy means US 30 will continue to push bullish, which means gold should continue to push bearish over the long term. So that's what the whole agenda is, So and like, if you look at it this way, like Trump has came in much more savage than the last time, because look at the irony, right? He is now president for the second time, and also this is America's 250th anniversary. 250, that's a big deal, 250. You look at the guy. The guy is the perfect example of an American president. He's the perfect example to lead a strong, powerful country like America. Like, you put the flag behind that man, you're like, man, like, this guy, he looks like the president. He looks like a president, if you look at him that way. But like, that's what he wants. He wants the economy to be strong, and if the economy is strong, then gold should continue to push bearish in the long term. That's how I see it. My dream is to see you. Nice. Did you explain the theater platform before? Yes, you can go through my my YouTube, and you're gonna see multiple explanations. Let me have a shot of some. In Pakistan, where can we meet you? Caesar, where can people meet me? Making Caesar sit on the floor over there. What type of gangster party were you at yesterday? Man, you don't want to know. That was day one. For us, it was day one. For them, it was day 5. So it's going to be day 2 for us today. I mentioned you in an Instagram story. Check. I don't know who you are on Instagram, so I can't check. Last night you went to some event in Pakistan. Yeah, that's true. Congratulations on winning the other day. Thank you, man. Like elections was amazing. Like I'm not even focused on trading now. I'm not even focused on trading for the rest of the month. I'm just gonna take it easy. Oh wow, mashallah, very nice. Umrah Mubarak. Who you supported, Harris or Trump? Crazy were crazy numbers. Yes, thank you. You know what? I honestly couldn't see Kamala Harris as the president of the USA. I just couldn't. I couldn't visualize this person trying to negotiate with leaders like Putin, or leaders like Z, like the China's guy, or guys like Kim Jong Un. Like I just can't picture that happening. And these guys are like savages. Like these guys have been in game for like decades. So how can you expect someone to like negotiate with them? So Trump was the guy. Even Americans can't see a woman president. Sure, yeah. In the times we are now, it's like, yeah, it's very tough. Like that's a very savage man's world, 100%. Because like guys can talk to guys in ways where women can't talk to guys. And if you got a big group with guys, like another alpha guy is the only person. Or even like negotiate to a better. I don't know. I don't want to get any Kamala fans even more riled up. Anyway, can non-Muslims sign up to Dominion Markets Islamic account? Yes, you can. Sir, kindly tell the zero spread account charged any commission? Yes. Man, if you got zero spread, and if you also have no commission, how are we supposed to make money? How are brokerages supposed to make money? So yeah, who won the 2K giveaways? They are winners. I think we will announce them either later on today or tomorrow. Yeah, today or tomorrow. I deposited $250 3 months ago. I grew it to $300 in 10 days, then lost them. My account was in 148, and I was worried. Then I started watching you live. Now it's at 365. Wow, Muhammad Qasim, amazing. That is absolutely amazing. I think Market Fluidity University is going to be the best choice for you at this point. Do you pay brokerage commission? Yes. I do pay brokerage. Of course, I pay wholesale because, like we get the prices in bulk. But yeah, I do. What advice do you give out for overtrading? Very simple. Can someone give Mr. Moise an advice for overtrading? Just one advice. Just one. Just one. Yeah, 1 to 2 trades. No fucking, but 1 to 2 trades. Close the charts. You can close the charts. But basically 1 to 2 trades a day. That's it. Nothing else. I heard Forex is haram. Well, then why are you on this stream? Bro, it was 700K on election day. Now it's 960K. Impressive 2 days. Thank you. Actually, it was just 1 day. In 1 day. I was actually surprised myself. I surprised myself in the end. Let's see over here. It was just 1 day over here. Look at this. Look at this. 6th November. It was just 1. Yeah, let's do like this one. This was break even. This trade. Yeah, let's go through some of these trades while gold is ranging. So where's it? Yeah, this one was break even trade. I took a sell, price came up, stopped me out. Then it is what it is. This was a sell. Yeah, this was a sell I took once we were trying to push down. You can As soon as the candle started, I took a sell. I'm like, okay, what's the probability to continue to push down? Looking at the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour candle also closed bearish. So I even announced it. I'm going to sell every resistance form. So I took a sell over there. Price went down, closed the trade, and then took another sell on the next candle that broke this low over here. Because once this candle came down, it's funny because I was only looking at the charts. I was looking at the charts. I saw this candle drop. I'm like, wow, Trump won. I opened up news. Oh no, I opened up X. I saw that okay, Trump actually won. This candle broke the low, and that's where I took another sell, where price moved down, got like 79 pips. This was very quick. Closed the trade, took another one, break even, and then tried another sell. This also break even right over here. I was trying, but as soon as price would go in profits, I would put my stops at break even. Let's take a look at this one. This one happened. 1 hour candle closed bearish. 1 hour candle broke below this low. We had a range to fill. Took the sell over there. Price went down. Awesome move. Then aimed for another sell as this candle started to go where it was just announced. So I'm like, all right, let's try the sell. Took the sell and then took another sell. Twitter, Instagram, Forex Factory. All these different places. You can see the latest news. But Trump's Twitter would be very interesting. Trump's Twitter would be very, very interesting once he comes into the office. Yeah. I wish one day I can take the trades like you do. Yes, you will. Like if you look at the pips, it's just pips, like pip wise, 44, 79. Like if you look at the 15-minute candle, if we look at the 15-minute candles on those days, let's take a look at this right over here. Oh. 15, yeah, this one right over here. Yeah, right? Like, look at these 15-minute, look at this one right over here. 72 pip 15-minute candle. Look at this one, wick to wick, 81 pips. Wick to wick, 67. Wick to wick, look at this, 70 pips. Look at this one right over, 62 pips. These are massive, look at these massive sells happen. Massive sells happen, 150 pip sell. And then you start to rally. But yeah, like the moves were there. The moves were there. The volume was there. The volume was there, so the moves look great because the volume was there. And this is something special. This may not happen again, But the thing is, if you look at in 2016, what happened in 2016 when Trump came in the office, exactly the same thing happened right over here. We started to push down. What was your stop loss? I had no stop loss, but I was risking $250,000. I was risking $250,000 on my bias. My bias was sells based on what happened before. If you look at the Biden administration, they came in and gold started to rally. Like, US equities started to drop. And when Trump was here, it was the opposite, So I was confident if Trump wins again, the same thing is going to happen. The same thing. If it doesn't happen, and if I lose 250,000, then I'm going to just forget about it. That's what I would do. Where were you when you took those sells? I was in my home. And then I went to office. Congrats me for following your rules. Made $400 on my personal account. Wow, beautiful. And withdrew and bought the challenge and cleared phase 1. Now 1 step away from funded. Oh, wow. Shararat. Very nice. You taught me in a mindset which I was lacking. You're super cool. Oh, wow, man. Amazing. Thank you. Thank you for the kind words. I really appreciate it. But that's all what it is, like you're disciplined, you are consistent, and that consistency shows with good results. What's the spread on gold for Islamic account? I don't know. I think like 2 pips, something like that. 2 pips. Can we change lot size according to trade probability? Yes, you can. Your mic is annoying. Your name is annoying. Mic is annoying. Balak Aziz, leave the stream if the mic is annoying. Or you come do the commentary. How much money need for Xness? Ross, I don't know. Do you think like I'm from Xness? Do you play soccer? No. What's the best way to make a deposit from Pakistan? Local bank deposits. If you go to the deposit options, you're going to see that we have a local bank deposit. And I can't wait to go and do shoulders. Shoulders day today. Yeah. So, yeah, just waiting over here. Oh, leg day. Leg day for me is tomorrow. Tomorrow I got leg day. How many strategies you trade on gold? Just one. Can you take a look at Nasdaq? No. Let's take a look at pound yen over here. Pound yen is still in this range. We haven't broken above that area. Nasdaq. Let's take a look at Nasdaq over here. Where's Nasdaq? Do you recommend for traders to use funding accounts? Yeah, sure. Like, if you can prove to yourself you're consistent, then yes, for sure. Then you should. Okay, so we had a rally on Nasdaq, obviously, from Trump effect, and obviously we're creating some sort of a support now to continue to push up, but also before this move down, I guess price consolidated for a little while, for a little long while, to be honest, not just a little while. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So we don't know whether we're gonna come up and reject, because this is also because the market getting happy as well. This move up and move down on gold. That's also because the market may be just getting excited. Oh wow, let's go, Trump won. So let's take a look at this 30-minute time frame. So we're about to break the high. We got like 7 minutes left for New York Open. 250K risk is insane. Well, you gotta risk it to make it. I was so prepared for these elections. You guys have no idea how prepared I was. No idea. This looks like a perfect impulse entry here for price to continue to push up. But if we talk about the stop loss, take a look on the 30-minute time frame. Stop cannot be below the 30-minute because the big stop loss, you're looking at like a 41 pip stop. But if you look at the 15, like a 25 pip stop. But it's also closing below before NY Open. 250K in terms of percentage, I don't know, but it was just what I wanted to risk. 250K. Were you even prepared if Kamala Harris won miraculously? No, I was not prepared at all. I would have, I don't know what I would have just given hope on America. Seriously, I would have given hope on America. That would have been the end of it. It would have been just so wild if she would have won. Wow, I would have felt so sad for everyone. So super sad. Super sad. I was worried about them cheating. Yeah, not now. Oh, look at that. Volume's coming in. You see that spread jump? Volume's coming in. See that? That's a perfect impulse entry right there. 25 pip stop loss. You're looking maybe to fill this wick over here in the last 5 minutes. To fill this wick. If not, then with the volume from NY Open, probably we could see to fill this wick. Ooh, coming down over here. See, now if I entered at impulse entry right over here, if I would have entered impulse entry, and if price went in 7-8 pip profits, and if it goes into drawdown, I would close 50%. That's what I would do. If I'm in this trade, if it comes down, I would close 50%. Wouldn't be better buys above 26.96, 26.96? Yeah. Better buys above here. You're looking at, for price to move up. This is just like, expecting or like, for anticipating volume to continue to push price. Anticipating volume to continue to push price. You don't have to take the trade. You can just like, also say, okay, you know what? This is what I'm anticipating. Because this also happens sometimes where you have a wick to fill and candles closing and market's about to open, and now you think that, okay, with the way things are set up over here, with the market open, can the volume push price up? You look at the 1 hour time frame. Looking at the 1 hour, you can see that the 1 hour candle, previous one was strong bullish candle, meaning heavy volume, bullish, after this thing over here. And the next 1 hour candle, it broke the low, but it couldn't sustain its bearish move, so it continues to push up, but it hasn't broken the high. It has just broken the low and just rejected it. Take a look on the 4 hours also, like 4 hour. I don't have much hopes from the 4 hour, but the 30-minute right here, this is where it's at. This impulse entry sort of deal with the stop loss based on 15 minutes. And then, of course, when it goes in drawdown, I would close 50. If consolidation breaks and we have a candle closing above the consolidation in 30 minutes, can we look for a retest small time? Yeah, sure. Sure you can. For sure. How much did you make in 2016 elections? Nothing. I didn't make nothing in 2016 elections. Nothing. Because I was new, man. I was new. Like, honestly, when Trump became president, I thought gold was going to go up. Because I thought the market, it basically follows what, like, I don't even know what I was thinking at that point. I don't even know. Like 2016, 2017 is a blur in terms of trading for me. It's literally a blur. 2016, 2017, 2018. I don't even. But I know more now. We have studied events. We have studied, like, what happens to the market when we have wars. We have studied what happens to the market when we have diseases like COVID. We've studied what happens to the market when you have mass vaccines for the diseases. If you guys traded COVID and if you guys traded a time when, like, whenever they were announcing new cases, gold would shoot up, and whenever they would announce this groundbreaking new vaccine or boosters that's going to help people, you would see gold push back down again, because vaccines went opening of the economies and stuff, so it was very, very interesting time. I felt bad for not making 250K, but I'm new, so next one. Yeah, next one for sure. I just found out about forex trading. Oh, you were 19 at the time. Wow. That was 4 years ago, right? That was 4 years ago. You're a grown man now, 23. Crazy. Like, imagine how much has changed during this journey. So many things have changed during this journey. Is insane amount of people who come and go in forex. Yeah, that's true. It's pretty crazy. What's the dollar rate if we make a local bank deposit from Pakistan? It's the Google rate. I want to meet you, please. It's my dream, please. Raja, please, bhai, please. Please, Raja, bhai. I'm from Afghanistan now. I'm here in Pakistan, Islamabad. Raja, bhai, please. How can I meet you, please, bhai, please? How? You heard? Bro, how can I meet you? I'm new. Give me same advice. 1 to 2 trades a day. Trust me, that's it. 1 to 2 trades a day. After how long is the NY session is opening? In like a minute and a half. A minute and a half. Bro, if you come to meet me, they'll send you back to Afghanistan. They're gonna deport your ass back. Yeah, only Afghanis can get deported. And Nigerians from Pakistan. They're never gonna deport a white person. They'll keep him here. Makes us look good. Yeah. When we don't wait for a liquidity wick to take a trade. When? Naughty. Pips pay for it. Very naughty. Very naughty. Guys, you gotta understand, man. Like 2,000-3,000 people see your messages. Like everything you write in Zoom, 2,000-3,000 people are watching this right now. Are reading it. Oh, Moise, oof, hostility. 2,000 people just watched that. They just read it. Kick him out. You have to be nice. Can you explain me how to know when candle push without bottom wicks? You don't know. You don't know. How often you're the live stream and okay, there we go. Look at that. 30-minute candle. Take a look at that. 1 hour. Oof. 1 hour is a whatever. Looking at the 15-minute. At this point I would close 50%. If I'm in this buy, that impulse entry buy, I would close 50%. No, GJ just closed that support. It's not melting. Yeah, I would close 50% if I was in this impulse entry buy trade. I'd close 50. My stop loss hit in this trade. What trade? In childhood. Where are you from? Mator. Assam Matorenia. In Indonesia, Raja is king. In many other languages, the same. Yeah, man. Yeah, I know. This is some weird price action. I like this because the 30-minute now are essentially closing next to each other, unless this candle breaks the high. Like, I mean, if you close 50% over here, and if we do manage to go up, you can add the risk back once we break above this. What's your next big personal purchase? Anything you're looking at? No, at this time, I am very focused in raising my children at this point. Very focused on. Yeah, that's basically my focus. Taught my son how to ride a bicycle without training wheels. Pretty sick. Like, I was holding his seat and I'd be like running after him, and everyone in the neighborhood can see this guy in his, like fresh pants and fresh shoes and running after a bicycle with the holes in the seat. Yeah, in 2 days he learned it, and I was like, wow, that is so amazing. So amazing. I saw the reel. Yeah. Would you draw a new support line at 2688? 26 over here? No. The only reason I would draw a support line over here is if the next support is far away, or if the next support is a tradable range, because if you look at this support 2688, the next support is like 33 pips away. There's a wick rejection 22 pips away, and it's just not that good compared to the other ranges we have. So, and then when you look at this support, you're like, okay, the next support is like 22, 25, whatever pips away. There's no point. But if we look at this support and the next one on the left hand side, that's like 160 pips away. So now we're like, okay, this is a worthwhile support, because if we do break this, then I have all this range over here, and then I can decide what I can secure, or like how I can position myself in trying to take this trade once it comes over here. So that's how I look at things. But if I look at, let's say, this resistance, right? So we got a resistance at 2692. And if you look at the next resistance is like 37, 38 pips away. So you can take a look at this and say, okay, like, you know what? There's not much, but maybe with volume, we can push to that area. I mean, I don't know whoever said it, but above 2696 is cleaner, but we'll see. What now? What do you mean, what now? What now? Do a push up? Want to do a push up? Do a push up. Will you be online? Will that be any online 11/11 sales for MagicKeys? 11/11 sales? You think we should run a sale on MagicKeys on 11/11? Yeah, we should run a sale on MagicKeys on 11/11. What? We should do it. Let me tell these guys over here. That's a very good idea. Thank you for that idea. Yes. Hey bro, how are you? So I had a really good suggestion from someone, and they said that they want a sale on 11/11, November 11/11. So let me know if that's possible. If that's not possible, then that's fine. So yeah. Oh yeah, I just bought one yesterday. Oh, okay, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's all okay. Because we don't even know if that's gonna get approved or not. Because I'm not the boss. All right, let's take a look at this over here. Took this trade in the morning. Want your views on it? Okay, session trend down, no problem. Support form, small body, impulse entry. Wow, good, man. That's good. That's good. That's very good. Am I supposed to lose too much to become a successful trader? No. Why are you supposed to lose to become? Please, Rajabhai, I just want to meet you, man. Please, it's my dream. Please, just 10-minute, man. Man, you're far away. I can't meet you. Chill. When was the last swing trade? I don't know. Appreciate the stream. Thank you. Thank you, Jordan. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. The blue line is drawn on the body or the wicks? It's drawn on like a ballpark area of the body and the wick. Sir, can I predict? Sir, I can predict where the market will go. Okay. And I even enter at the right point. Okay. But somehow I can't seem to manage it. Okay. What happens? You can't secure the money or you let it go in stop loss. Why can't we hold trades overnight on Dominion funding? Why can't you? Because that's the rule that we have to make sure that the prop firm is going to be stable. Yeah, it's going to be stable. But very soon we're going to have a swing trade package. Is that what it's called? Swing trade package. We're going to have a swing trade package. And on that swing trade package, you'll be able to hold your trades through, whatever. Yeah. Are you going to scalp gold? No, we're just consolidating now. In a lot of podcasts, people say that to become a millionaire, you need to think and act like one. What, in your opinion, are the key characters, traits of a millionaire trader? It's not about being a millionaire trader. It's about being a millionaire in itself. And that's true. You need to have the characteristics and traits of a millionaire. And to be honest, being a millionaire in this time is not that difficult. The thing is about being a multimillionaire, and I can tell you this, like most of the people I know who have a lot of money, they are very disciplined in every aspects of their life. Very disciplined. Like, they're going to take, whether it's to do with their health, whether it's to do with their physical self, or the way they look, or the way they behave, the way they eat, the way they talk, there's consistency. There's consistency because they know that the more consistent they're going to be at these certain traits, then automatically they're going to be better. And all that falls into your work as well, whether you're trying to become a trader, whether you're trying to become a good sales guy, a business guy, or a businesswoman, whatever. That's what it all comes down to. It's already available Dominion funding? No, not at this point. No, not at this point. Sir, who can I learn Forex from? I am not much aware of Forex. Good. That's good. That's for your own benefit. Swing trade package under any Dominion account? No, there's no such thing as swing trade package on a broker. Your volume is very low. Okay. When you coming to Mauritius? I don't know. Did you take any trades today? No, I didn't take any trades today. I don't think I'm going to take trades for the rest of the month. I don't know. Sound is very, very what? What is it? Raja bhai, I just want to meet you. Man, please, it's my dream. Please, 10 minutes, man. Man, you're far. You're more than 10 minutes away. Some guy on fucking YouTube. This guy, he's literally begging. Look, he's been sending so many messages. I'll read one of his long messages here. Wow, this guy is going wild. Look at this. Raja bhai, I want to meet you. Please, Raja bhai, it's my dream. Please, Raja bhai, please, Raja bhai, please, Raja bhai. I'm from Afghanistan. Now I'm here in Pakistan, in Islamabad. Please, Raja bhai, meet me, please. 10 minutes, please. Wow. Let him meet you, he deserves. No. I'm suffering from how to control my emotions during trading, especially when I lose. When you lose, just close the charts. Close the charts when you lose. Just close the charts. That's it. I have a question. Can you please answer it for me? Should have just asked the question, buddy. Now, who knows if I'm going to read your question or not? Would it be a good time to buy when the 30-minute candle on pound yen closes bearish? What? Oh, below support? Yeah, below support. Yeah, but I would like this over here. Rejection and then close below support. My dream is to dream Caesar. Ese compadre. My dream is to dream Caesar. He wants to see you in his dream. I just want to say hi, Raja. I finally made the leap from Market Fluidity. Oh, Market Fluidity University. Welcome, welcome, Ryan. Welcome. I welcome you with the bottom of my heart. How to get your course, Smart Raja Concepts. It's in the link. I saw you in Sadr. Oh, we went to Sadr. That was Sadr where we went. Yeah, like in, Gagar Brother. Yeah, some guys saw us over there. Too shy to say hi. Can use your strategy in 15 minutes? Yes. Can you meet me? And Umar Punjabi, meet me. I want to meet you. Man, where the fuck do you learn English? Some of you guys. Bro. Can you meet me? Umar Punjabi, meet me. I want to meet you. Meet. What do you think will happen on Inauguration Day? Gold will go down. The gold will go down on Inauguration Day. Because Trump is going to keep saying, we're going to make the economy better. We're going to make America better. We're going to make everyone pay. We're going to do this. We're going to do that. Tariffs on everyone. This. Everyone needs to pay us. Economy good. And as he says this, gold will start puking pigs through the bears. Can't wait for that. I cannot wait for that to happen. I am so ready for that. So ready. I'm from Afghanistan. I live in Berlin. It's my dream to meet you, maybe in Dubai. Yes. Blah. Look at this. Buys and wait for sells from here. What's over here? What? So, yeah, I don't know. But buys and then wait for sells from. Oh, okay. You're looking at buys over here for price to go up and then take sell. I'm so scared of losing. Every time the price moves in profits, I set a stop loss at break even. No. Whenever price moves in profits and you're getting scared, okay, Kankan, listen, write this down. And I've explained it too many times. So write this down. Okay, write this down or record it. Whenever price goes in profit and you get scared, this means you have lack of confidence in your move, right? Let's put it that way. Now you have to build because here's where fear comes from. Fear comes from having not enough confidence, right? So here's what you got to do. Whenever price goes in profits, you start to get scared. Do this, okay? Whenever price goes in profits, you start to get scared. Close 75% of the trade, right there. Close 75% of the trade and let the rest run. If it hits your stop loss, you're going to lose less than what you planned on losing. If it goes in profits, you're going to gain a little bit of experience in having your trade run to your take profit. And you got to do that. But the trick is this. And the reason I say the trick is this, because I'm going to explain you why I say the trick is this. The trick is this. You have to consistently do this for the next month. If you can do this for the next month, by the second month, maybe you're going to leave 50% running. Or maybe you're going to leave 70% running. That's it. That's all what you got to do. That's it. No, nothing else. There's no webinar on this. It's just that. That's just that what you have to do. You have to build confidence. That's it. Once you build confidence in letting 50% run or 75% run, then you're going to say, okay, you know what? I've seen a specific move happen so many times. I'm going to let the whole thing run. You know, and when you let that whole thing run, it's going to come and hit your stop loss, but subconsciously you're going to be managing the risk on that trade and you're going to lose less anyway, because you spent a month in building confidence in letting trade run. But now when you're letting the whole thing run, at the same time you also build confidence in your ability to manage your risk. Demo banks. Wow, you heard that? Demo banks. I didn't even see the name, but I'm 100% sure, 90% sure it's either an Indian or Pakistani. Look at this name over here. Look at this retard, Asmit Karki. It's either an Indian or Pakistani. This over here. Wow, crazy. You know, your own people hate you. Your own people hate you. That's the thing. Your own people will hate you. You know, they will only hate you because you came from the same place where they can't escape from. They can't escape from it, but you did. That's why people hate you. Okay. Will Forex stop in 2026? No. Why do you think you have success in trading? Because I am disciplined. I am very disciplined. Discipline. Can we take a buy on the break of the 30-minute high? I don't know, man. Like the 15-minute candle starting. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. So the New York Open hasn't had volume so far. Yeah, it's still pretty risky, you know, because above this resistance 26.96, you have like a nice 42 pip range, you know, so that may be a better play. This right over here. This, I would say this would be a better play for buys. This would be a better play. Clean range to left hand side. Way better. Yeah, gold can continue to push down if and only if we can see a break below 26.82. Then it's a clean move down. Look at that. Clean move. Clean move. Raja Financial, thank you. How do you build this kind of strong discipline? By 1 to 2 trades a day. To be honest, ever since I got disciplined in trading, in managing my risk, in deciding whether to close the trade without any emotions, I've gotten very direct with people as well. You know, I've gotten really good at saying no. I just say, yeah, no, I can't do that. That's not gonna happen. And then they say, oh, I was hoping you would say yes. Then I'd say, well, you know, I said no. It doesn't matter what you were hoping. It just matters what I want to do. Do you have a branch in Islamabad? No. What time they steal forex? How much percentage should I risk during a prop firm challenge? It's up to you. Can you please explain Wickfill? Go to my YouTube. It's explained over there. Yes, you can use Dominion Markets in India. Rolex or AP? Rolex. Why not Richard Mill? No, they're too expensive. Makes no sense. Heard Dominion is launching in Lahore? No. You heard wrong. Will you be doing a prop firm challenge in your firm? No. Because I don't have to do prop firm challenges. Like I have, you know, I have good. Where is the difference between gold and the normal gold spread? I would suggest two for Pakistan to bring it out from loss. No. I'm in no mood to help this country anymore. Where can I find your training courses? Over here. I would suggest for, oh, what's this over here? Patek all day? Yeah, Patek makes good watches. But you know, like so far, there's nothing happening now. It's just nothing happening at this point. Mr. Who Knows? I used debit card for deposit, but after withdrawal, it didn't reach my account. Who knows? Who knows? We also give you ARN numbers, and you can use those ARN numbers, ARN, to track it from your bank. Not everyone hates you from Pakistan. Yes, I know, but some are there. Have you met Omar Chaudhry? Who's that? Did you take any trades today? No. Have you seen new G-Wagon? No. You don't like MB? What's MB? Mercedes-Benz? You know, the next, I kind of wanna get rid of my where can I get Market Fluidity? Here is Market Fluidity University. I want to swap out my SVR and get the Defender V8. Defender V8. Why are your prices on Dominion funding 10% higher than the established competitors? Will you offer discounts? No. Our prices are not higher because we will offer discounts. Our prices are higher because we have the same execution on the prop firm, the kind of execution we have on the brokerage. It's the same liquidity, same bridge, same, everything's the same. And like, you know, prices are higher. We want to build this as like a prestigious brand. That's what. You ever see Gucci, Louis Vuitton give discounts, or you see that prices are lower? No. We have a very good track record. We built Market Fluidity University. Before that, Market Fluidity, Smart Charter Concepts, like, you know, amazing educational programs we built, great track record on that. We built MagicKeys, great track record of that. MagicKeys does so well, amazing. It's the only product for risk management for MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, C-Trader. The only product. We have sold maybe like 25,000 units, and 60% of the clients who bought MagicKeys from us, they have seen a considerable increase in their risk management. with MagicKeys. Amazing product, great track record. Then we started Dominion Markets. Dominion Markets right now we have over 80,000 registered clients, and man, the active users are like astronomical since we started. Like we've doubled, tripled our volumes. Like created on the platform Dominion Markets. Amazing leverage. No, not leverage. Latency, no delay. Amazing execution speeds of trades, just insane. Multiple withdrawal methods, deposit methods. 4 years running now. I mean, great track record. So now we're just adding Dominion Funding to the list. Dominion Funding. Next, we have Dominion Exchange coming up. So that's going to be another arm that we're trying to build for the Dominion Group. So yeah, that's where the main focus is now. Also we have built our own tech for Dominion Funding, our own tech, and we're going to be expanding that tech to all other prop firms. We're going to create that as like we want our prop tech to be as like the benchmark of the tech any prop firm should have. Wow, look at that. We're going up over here. Ooh, breaking above this area of 15 minutes. But main move is going to be above this area. Main move, 26.9. So you have to look at the people who have actually done business. It doesn't matter whether people say, oh, Raja is a scam and this and that. Like, there's going to be guys like this. But then you have to look at things logically. That okay, this guy's a scam. I don't like him. But it's pretty impressive. He has built 4 companies so far that are profitable, that are still running. We don't see any news, any bad news from them. They are like, running perfectly fine. Now they're launching something new, something adding to their whole ecosystem. So maybe okay, right, nice. So this is also how to control temptation. To control temptation is very difficult. Just like for me to control my temptation to start something new is very difficult. My wife thinks it's very, very risky to start new things, but I'm like, no, it's the risk you take in life. You don't take any risk in life, you're not going to know what's on the other end of the risk. I've always taken risks. What will be the max allocation capital? I don't know. I don't want to have any max allocation capital. I mean, maybe like 200,000 in the beginning, but my partner wants to have 400,000. So probably we're gonna go like we'll see how things go, and then we'll see if we can do 400,000. Beginning it should be like 200,000. Because we are expensive. It's true, we are expensive. But what would you want? You want stable, expensive with payouts, or do you want cheap, problems and issues on? That's what you have. That's what it comes. I'm down 4% on my 25K funded account. Please give me some advice. How the fuck can I give you advice if I don't even know what you trade, what's your risk, what pair you're looking at, did you trade news, what did you do? Sir, just give me advice. Like, what advice do you want from me? What advice can I give to you? Restart the channel. Emma the Seba. With the new US elections, what are the expectations on stock, forex indices? Stock up, indices up, currencies not forex. Yeah, you don't even know what you're asking, to be honest, when you entered forex. Why are you against ICT? ICT's method also very profitable, as well as price action. Okay, show me 5 regular people who are consistently profitable with this smart money things, but they shouldn't be influencers. They shouldn't be influencers. Show me 5 people. If you show me 5 people, I'll show you 10 people who are profitable with simple price action. Not even with market fluidity. Through market fluidity, just simple price action. I'll show you 10 people who are profitable. For every one you show, I'll show you 2. That's my open challenge. Show me 1 person, I'll show you 2. And those 2 will be wildly more profitable. Wildly more profitable. Simple price action. Simple price action. Trust me, simple. Trust me. You're not even smart enough to be on this live stream at this point, and you think you're going to be able to do some, some difficult things on the chart. I call them difficult things because they are difficult for me. They are difficult for me. So that's how I look at it. They're difficult for me. Dream a dream, and what you see will be. That's true. When you must wait for candle to close or do an impulse. At this point, it's better to wait for it to close. 26.96. These are taking a nap right now. Oh. He doesn't know we gotta go to the gym soon. I'm from Pakistan. I have a problem. Brother, all Pakistanis have problems. Let's see your problem. Sometimes my trades went very successful, but some days I went all zero. What should I do? When they go to zero, manage risk. I made 2,000% this week above my initial equity using price action. I have record and whole trade history. Very, very nicely done, Avas. Very, very nice. I was about to get scammed on one of a Telegram channel on your name. Wow. Crazy. I am trading a strategy. I risk 1% on my account. Raja bhai, please, bro. It's my biggest dream, man. Please. It's my dream, man. Please. Bro, you're far away. You're very far away. You guys, back with extra pleases. Took this trade to build confidence. Let's see over here. What is it? Gold buys? Ooh, gold. Oh, buys. Nice. You see how you were a little late right over here? You see how you were a little late over here? Why didn't you take the trade over here once we broke above the high? But yeah, that's good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Streams are low-key entertaining. Thank you. Also, would you keep an open... We are late. Okay, anyway, guys, I'm going to head off. So we'll see you guys on Sunday for a Q&A session. Sunday. But I have to go to the gym so I can get strong, healthy. Anyway, just found out about you a couple days ago. Tried it all. ICT, SMP, smoke signals. It's all overcomplicated. Liking your style and like your teaching. Thanks from Netherlands. Thank you, Roach. Roach X. Thank you. I really appreciate that. Okay, denial. All right, guys, take care. Have fun. And be safe. Shoulders Day today.